Hey guys, welcome back to the corner, and it is Happy Mail Day. Hello, I hope you are all having a wonderful day. So I got the Happy Mail today. This is from Kim Burley, or Dirty Paintbrush. She calls me her hooker, and I call her my hooker. It's just a little inside joke between the two of us. And this one is from Miss Carrie, little C. She's been waiting like a week for this to get here. And then this is from a trucker Janie. So I am excited to see what I got. So we're gonna open this one first here. Trim it on the side. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I got a note. You may get this late for Valentine's. I thought of you. Sorry, squirrel. Couldn't find anything for you, but when I do, you'll get a box full. Love, Janie. Oh my god. Them are amazing. I love those. Oh, them are definitely going to be used as pockets in my journal. Those are awesome. I might have to share a few of them. Oh. Yes, chocolates. Yay. I love that. And Kiki sent me some chocolates a while ago. And I ate them all like right away. And it had flamingo on the front of it, so I'm going to trim the top of it off the box, and it had a window in the middle, so I'll be making like a shaker out of it. So yeah, this will be awesome to use. Look at, I can take the, oh look at that, that's awesome. It came right off. I don't even have to mess with that. I got chocolates, squirrel.
What?
Yep, I got chocolates. Bullshoot.
You said yourself, chocolate doesn't agree
What?
with you. Cute.
It's got chocolates. It came right off. I was like, oh, I bet I can take that off, and I opened it up and it came off. So yeah.
I can have these one.
It was, look. This note says, sorry, squirrel, I couldn't find anything for you, but when I do, you'll get a box full. So these are mine. And these.
Fine. That's
Isn't
cute.
them cute?
A little gift bag.
Yeah, they're gonna go in my flamingo journal. I might share a couple here and there maybe, but we'll see. I gotta count how many are in there.
4.
2, 4, 5.
4.
There's 5.
There's 4.
There's 5.
Oh, it's
I already
all 4.
count. Yeah, I know exactly. I don't know where you went to school, but I think you need to go again. So that was
You
from
know exactly
Janie.
why I counted
Thank you.
4.
I know, because you want to steal one.
I do.
And this is from Miss Little C. Oh, we should have gone to Dollar Tree today and checked and got some clearance candy. Give it a couple days. Give it a couple days and we'll go to Walmart and all their Valentine candy will be like 75% off. Love the envelope.
Is it Janie or Trucker Janie?
Where?
Who?
Trucker Janie. This is from Little C. Dear Spankin' Squirrel and Pixie, here are a few things that I thought you could use in your journals. Love, Little C, and Molly. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Fabric. Oh, that is cute. Yes, that'll definitely come in handy. Oh, love these. I got some of these already. Love them though. Can't never have enough napkins. Just saying. Oh, I have that one too. I have that one too. This one I don't have. I love that. That'll be good in my mermaid journal.
Yeah, we're...
Let's put that aside because I'm trying to keep stuff for specific journals in spots. Oh, I love that peacock. I do want to eventually do a peacock journal too, so these are a little cut out from, they're like,
Bible verses.
yeah, that word. I couldn't get the word out. I was gonna say something else, say like God quotes or something, but I couldn't think of what the word was. Verses. This is one of my favorite napkins. I had a whole pack of these at one point, but not so much anymore. I've shared them.
That's a cool napkin.
Love the pineapple one. That's an awesome one. That'll be going in there. Oh, that's cool. That's a cactus. That is cool. Oh, these are going to be perfect for the journal. These are awesome, Carrie. I'm going to do these as like, I'm going to use box tape to tape it so I can view both sides.
Like how to grow it?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a cactus expert, but you want to read them? You can read them if you'd like.
Instructions on how to...
They're just pages from a book that she sent me for cactuses.
Cool.
These are gorgeous. I love the barrel cactuses. Those are pretty. Nice. I love those. Are definitely going to come in handy in the book. Thank you, Carrie. I love them. Excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna have to start working in that journal and I'm gonna start my tags and stuff for it. Oh, that's definitely. Oh, I'll set that here for now. Okay. This one is from the hooker. Dirty paintbrush. Some people might get offended by that, but you know, she started it. Dirty paintbrush. Where the paintbrushes are not the only thing that's dirty. Look at that flamingo on there. That's definitely going in the journal. Come on, get off my finger. Oh, my ear itches. I don't give a flock. Oh my god, I love that. That is awesome. Yeah, that's definitely going like on the first page. Aww, that's adorable. I love this envelope.
The die cut, I take it?
What, the flamingo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm assuming so. Oh. Look at, oh, yay! Awesome. Hey, that looks like my stencil, my stamp thing that I made.
A lot like your
hang on, let me get my book. I want to see how close.
Stamp or whatever you
my
want to call
homemade
it.
glue stamp, hot glue stamp.
Yeah.
Stencil,
that looks
whatever.
Like darn near.
Oh!
God,
I just had a crafty lunch. That just scared the hell out of me. Okay,
you
well.
flying at me.
Holy crap, that scared me. Okay, let's try that again. Look how. Look at that. That's almost identical.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That is awesome. That's from my homemade hot glue stamp too, and I didn't even know how to do a pineapple. I was just winging it. That's awesome.
Apparently you winged it pretty darn close.
I winged it pretty good, yes. Different size flamingos. These are cute. I love those pineapples. That's awesome.
You know, and the way that die cut is too, you could almost use this as like a
paperclip thing. Yeah, but it would get ruined.
Well, I'm just saying.
It's thin.
Just as a.
Let me show you what he did, you guys. Because he was hiding it. I could stick it like this.
Like a little clip.
Yeah, but it would probably ruin it. I'd have to laminate it and then cut the little slit out. I could do that though. But it might get like this one would be good.
That's just
the
little
one
that popped into my head when I've seen it.
The little one could be good, but I could use it like inside on an envelope or something, you know, like this envelope's definitely going in there because that's pretty. But yeah, those are cool.
See, I get a good idea every once in a while.
Yeah. He got in trouble last night, you guys. Because you put my chair down.
Oh.
I have a chair that's adjustable, and I have to have it all the way up. And he lowered it all the way down, and I go to sit down.
All the way down. Pixie went on my lap, and I was.
It was all the way down.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean after I lowered it?
Yeah.
I didn't think I lowered it all the way down. But
yeah.
He wanted up on my lap, so I lowered it so she could get up there.
Anyways, the point is, he got in trouble for not lowering or raising it back up how I have it. So he got in trouble. Hey, hooker. No, she said, hey, Spanky. Just a few small things I found and thought you could use. Also, cut out some extras for you. Oh, doubt I can offer you much that you don't have already. Love dirty. Oh, those are cute. I love those. Those are this all. I I almost got these, but I was like, no.
Those are iron-on ones?
Yeah, these are the
I mean,
iron-on
the ones that we
yeah.
saw, and then I was like, oh, those are
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm gonna put this one right on I'm gonna put these on my cover. So now all I do is gotta find a little cactus one. And I can iron them onto my cover. Oh my god! We seen these too! I love these!
Man, glad
Awesome.
you didn't pick them up.
I know! I'm gonna put them on my, I can make earrings out of those. But no, I'm gonna put them on my tassel, charm tassel, yeah. Because I have that one that, oops, sorry Pixie. Little C sent me this one. I want to put it in my car, but we'll see, but yeah. And then I got one Caboose sent me too somewhere. I think it's already in my journal box thing. But yeah, awesome. Yay! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to step on you, Pixie. Awesome. Thank you guys. I love it. I really like this. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to make me a flamingo shirt now.
It says I don't give a flock.
Yeah, it's gonna have a flamingo on it. It's gonna say I don't give a flock. Yep, definitely. I love that. That's awesome. Thank you, girl. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, yay for Happy Mail. I love Happy Mail. Oh my god, your nose is cold, Pixie. So thank you, everybody, and thank you, Janie. Oh, can't wait to have some chocolates. So, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I gotta hide these so he won't get them.